High in the Andes Mountains of Peru, where the air is thin and the peaks touch the sky, shrouded in mist and mystery, lies Naupa Iglesia. This ancient site, hidden away from the world, has intrigued many. This is no ordinary cave. It is a portal to the past, a window into a civilization long gone. Carved into the living rock is a massive, enigmatic structure. The precision of the carvings is astonishing, as if the rock itself was molded by hands that knew secrets lost to time. Its smooth, right-angled walls and perfectly fitted doorways defy explanation. Who built this place? And why? The craftsmanship suggests a purpose beyond mere shelter or defense. Naupa Iglesia has fascinated explorers and archaeologists for centuries. Was it a temple, a fortress, or something else entirely? Each theory brings more questions than answers. The answers, like the mists that cling to the mountainside, remain elusive. The site whispers its secrets to those who listen but never reveals them fully. But one thing is certain, Naupa Iglesia is a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of a lost civilization. Its existence challenges our understanding of history and human capability, reminding us of the mysteries that still lie hidden in the world. Naupa Iglesia is believed to predate the Inca, who ruled the Andes for centuries. This ancient site, nestled high in the Andean mountains, holds secrets that continue to baffle historians and archaeologists alike. The Inca civilization, known for their architectural prowess and astronomical knowledge, may have inherited much of their wisdom from even older cultures. Some scholars speculate that it may be thousands of years old, perhaps even dating back to a time before written history. The cave's mysterious origins spark debates and theories, with some suggesting it could be a remnant of a lost civilization that once thrived in these rugged terrains. The lack of written records only adds to the enigma, leaving us to piece together its story through the stones and artifacts left behind. The precision and sophistication of the stonework suggest a highly advanced culture. Each stone is meticulously carved and placed, fitting together with such accuracy that even modern tools would struggle to replicate. The carvings and engravings found here are not just decorative, they hold symbolic meanings and possibly encoded messages from a bygone era. Whoever built Naupa Iglesia possessed advanced knowledge of engineering and astronomy. The construction techniques used indicate a deep understanding of structural integrity and durability, allowing these edifices to withstand the test of time. Their astronomical alignments further suggest that the builders were keen observers of the skies, integrating celestial events into their architectural designs. The structure is aligned with the solstices and equinoxes, suggesting a deep understanding of the celestial bodies. These alignments were not coincidental, they were intentional and precise, reflecting the builders' sophisticated knowledge of astronomy. Such alignments would have been crucial for agricultural cycles, religious ceremonies, and timekeeping. Such knowledge was essential for agriculture and religious practices in ancient cultures. The ability to predict seasonal changes allowed these ancient people to plan their planting and harvesting cycles effectively. Moreover, the celestial alignments likely played a significant role in their spiritual and religious lives, marking important dates and events in their calendar. Naupa Iglesia stands as a testament to the ingenuity and wisdom of a civilization long lost to history. In recent years, archaeologists have turned to cutting-edge technology to unlock the secrets of Naupa Iglesia. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and LiDAR sensors are revolutionizing the way we study ancient sites. Drones provide a bird's-eye view of Naupa Iglesia, allowing researchers to create detailed 3D models of the site. This technology reveals hidden features and patterns that would be impossible to detect from the ground. Drone footage has already yielded intriguing insights into Naupa Iglesia. Aerial surveys have revealed a network of tunnels and chambers hidden within the mountain. Some of these passages are too small for humans to enter, suggesting they may have been used for ceremonial or ritualistic purposes. Other theories suggest that Naupa Iglesia may have been a portal or gateway to another realm. The site's unusual acoustics and electromagnetic anomalies have fueled speculation about its true purpose. Section 5. Whispers of Ritual and Sacrifice. Local legends speak of Naupa Iglesia as a place of great power, a sacred site where the veil between the physical and spiritual worlds is thin. It is said that shamans once communicated with the gods here, performing intricate rituals to seek guidance and wisdom. Some stories whisper of sacrifices made to appease the mountain spirits. offerings that were believed to ensure the community's prosperity and protection. While these tales may be rooted in folklore, they offer a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of the region. They hint at the site's enduring mystique, a place where history and myth intertwine. The discovery of ceramic fragments, intricately designed and carefully crafted, along with human remains at Naupa Iglesia, suggests that the site was indeed used for ceremonial purposes, possibly spanning several generations. However, the exact nature of these rituals remains a mystery, shrouded in the mists of time. What we do know is that Naupa Iglesia continues to captivate the imagination of those who visit, a testament to its enduring allure and the secrets it still holds. Section 6. A gateway to the gods? Some researchers believe that Naupa Iglesia may have been a portal or stargate used by ancient shamans to travel to other dimensions. They point to the site's unusual energy vortexes and the presence of strange symbols carved into the stone. While mainstream archaeology remains skeptical of such claims, the possibility of ancient cultures possessing advanced technologies or knowledge beyond our current understanding continues to intrigue. Section 7. The importance of preservation. Naupa Iglesia is not just an archaeological wonder, it is a sacred site that holds deep cultural and spiritual significance for local communities. It is our responsibility to protect and preserve this irreplaceable treasure for future generations. Tourism, looting, and the elements all pose threats to Naupa Iglesia. By working together, researchers, local communities, and governments can ensure that this ancient site continues to inspire wonder and awe for centuries to come. Section 8. The future of exploration. As technology advances, we can expect even more astonishing discoveries at Naupa Iglesia and other ancient sites around the world. Drones, ground-penetrating radar, and other non-invasive techniques are opening up new frontiers in archaeology. The mysteries of Naupa Iglesia remind us that our understanding of the past is constantly evolving. Each new discovery brings us closer to unlocking the secrets of our ancestors and understanding our place in the grand tapestry of time.